I haven't posted a video in a while, and this is one that I really thought it's a really good lesson for getting into alternating thumb kind of stuff. And so the idea is over some chords, like say if I have a C, my thumb will go 5, 4, and then I put my ring finger on the 6th string, 6, 4. Right? So just that in itself is something to exercise. But then we want to try to get our fingers involved. So the first thing you want to do is I'm going to pinch the 3rd string. Actually, let's make it C7. Right? So I'm going to pinch the 3rd string. So then the regular pattern. Do that for a while. Now go to the 2nd string. So that's my middle finger now. Now let's go to a little string. Now let's go 3, 2, 1, 2. Right, so 3, 2. Now we want to think about when you have melodies and you're doing this kind of fingerstyle thing, melodies aren't always on the beat. Sometimes they're off the beat. And if that happens, rather than doing a pinch, you're going to go T-I. So in that first part, we're going to go T-I, T-I. All right, then do M, 2nd string. String. Right, and then same thing. I'm kind of jumping ahead, but then you can do a mixture between. So let's say I pinch, then do the roll, pinch. So now with all that information, that's just C. Luckily, C is one of the only ones that does the alternating finger. If I were to do G, let's say I'm just taking a G chord, I'm going to go 6 and 4 back and forth. So same thing, pinch. If I do E minor, it's the same thing. F can be, if you do it, there's kind of a cheat on F. You do 3, 2, 1, no bar, and then my thumb is sort of hooking over. So the A's open, but I'm not going to use it. Right there I'm going now if I want to do the little F, then we'll treat it sort of like the C. So everything shifts down. So that's D will kind of be like that too. All right, so there I'm going. So now I didn't talk about A minor. So C and A minor would be the same. So we did it C, but A minor would be the same. Just don't have to move the finger. So then you start adding chords together. So now